In this video, we're going to be adding a keyless fob remote to this 2013 Hyundai Elantra. To do this, we need to find our OBD plug, which is located behind this cover on the driver's side. I'm going to go ahead and pull that out. You can set that cover aside. Now you have access to your OBD plug. We're going to take the programmer that came with the kit, and we're going to plug it in. When we plug it in, we're going to see a red light flash, and then a green light, and we're going to hear a chime. When you hear that chime, you have 2 minutes to take your remote, press and hold the lock button. Once you do that, you wait until you hear a chime from the vehicle. If you have any other remotes to program at the same time, you would do it within that 2 minutes. And then you would wait, take your programmer out, and you're done. Go ahead and do that now. Press and hold the lock button. There's a chime from the vehicle, chime from the programmer. Press and hold another lock button on our other remote. Same chime. Now we can remove the programmer. Now you can go ahead and hit your lock button on your new remote, and your lock should cycle. You want to test all of the functions on the remote to make sure they all do what they say. If everything works the way it should, you're all set. Now you can reinstall your cover. Top goes in first. Click in the bottom, and you're all done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.